Welcome to the world of premium car audio excellence with the Focal ASE 165S 6.5-inch two-way slim component kit. Crafted in France, these speakers are a testament to Focal's dedication to sonic perfection. Let's dive into what makes these speakers stand out. First off, let's talk design. The ultra-shallow profile of these speakers makes them a perfect fit for even the tightest of spaces in your vehicle. Say goodbye to bulky installations, as these sleek speakers blend seamlessly into your car doors for a clean, sophisticated look. And that black lacquered finish on the tweeter? It's not just for show, it adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior. But it's not just about looks, the sound quality is where the ASE 165S truly shines. Focal has equipped these speakers with exclusive technologies that deliver unparalleled audio performance. From crisp highs to punchy mids and tight bass, every note is reproduced with astonishing clarity and precision. Whether you're listening to your favorite tracks or enjoying a thrilling movie soundtrack, these speakers will elevate your audio experience to new heights. Another standout feature of the ASE 165S is its ease of amplification. These speakers are designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of amplifiers, allowing you to customize your sound system to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a subtle background ambience or a full-blown concert experience, these speakers can handle it all with ease. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your car audio system to the next level, look no further than the Focal ASE 165S 6.5-inch two-way slim component kit. With its unparalleled sound quality, sleek design, and easy amplification, it's the ultimate choice for audiophiles on the go. Upgrade your car audio experience today with Focal. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.